Rain. Rain is water that falls from clouds. Rain is made up of raindrops. Raindrops are many sizes. Some raindrops are small and light. They fall slowly. Light rain is called drizzle. Some raindrops are big and heavy. Heavy rain falls fast. Splat. The raindrops land hard. Rain brings water to the earth. It falls into rivers, lakes, and oceans. It soaks into the ground. The water on earth will become rain again. It turns into tiny drops called water vapor. The vapor rises into the air. Water vapor drops are too small to see. They are so light that they float in the air. The air rises and cools. The water vapor drops grow bigger. The drops stick to dust in the air and make clouds. The water drops inside a cloud bump into each other. The drops clump together to make bigger drops. The cloud turns dark. The water drops become heavier than the air. They fall to the ground as rain. Rain is part of the water cycle. Rain or snow falls to the ground. Water on the ground becomes vapor and rises. Clouds form. Rain or snow falls to the ground again. The water cycle never ends. Too much rain can cause a flood. Floods destroy buildings and crops. Too little rain can cause a drought. Lakes and rivers dry up. The soil becomes hard and cracked. People, plants, and animals need water. Rain brings water to all living things. The end. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.